Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be looking at the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini, as well as some of the Turf Builder weed and feed itself. Now, got a bag right here. Already got a little bit poured inside there, so we'll go ahead and set this bag to the side. And then we have the actual spreader right here. Has a couple different functions on it. Here on the back, you can adjust, so you can adjust how much you want to spread on your yard. Different types of the Turf Builder do require different amounts to be spread, so you can easily adjust that by turning that, and then whenever you pull the lever right here, that's what actually activates it, and it will spread. So if you push it without pulling that back, nothing's going to happen, so you can cross sidewalks and stuff like that without wasting anything in here. So I'll go ahead and quickly show you how it works. Works really easily. Here we go. Just going to easily just pull this back and you'll see, boom, right there, everything starts to spread. And then you pretty much do this all along your yard. And just, measure your yard and make sure you get the right amount. Got the tree getting in y'all's way right there. Make sure you got the right amount and everything, and then you'll be covered. They offer numerous different sizes as far as the bags of the actual Turf Builder back there. And then they also do offer multiple sizes of these right here. As I told you, this one here is the mini version. They offer, a slightly larger one, and then like a pro version as well. So if you're looking for a way to easily spread and take care of your yard, I highly recommend this one right here from Scott's.